I'm going to walk you through the best app to buy stablecoins and crypto in Australia and New Zealand, how to install the Independent Reserve mobile app, set up, verify your account, and make your first trade. Be sure to like and subscribe for our latest content and exclusive offers. USDT, USDC, and DAI are all stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies where values are pegged to real-world assets, often tied to the US dollar, and were designed to be less prone to price volatility. USDT, USDC, and DAI are among the most popular US dollar pegged stablecoins today. USDT is the oldest stablecoin on the crypto market. It's backed by the US dollar or equivalent and has one of the largest liquidity and volume in trading. USDC is pegged to the US dollar in a 1-to-1 ratio and is backed wholly by US dollars, which can give investors more confidence in their investment. DAI is decentralized and maintains its USD peg algorithmically using collateral in the form of coins like Ethereum. What's the best app to buy stablecoins in Australia and New Zealand? We use Independent Reserve. It is one of Australia's oldest and most trusted crypto exchanges. Their mobile app makes the process of buying crypto, securing your wallet, and tracking your portfolio a breeze. Independent Reserve is our choice over the likes of CoinSpot, SwiftX, or BTC markets. Independent Reserve has some of the lowest fees in the industry, starting from 0.5%. With the competition, you would pay around 2 to 10 times more per transaction. You wouldn't pay 2 to 10 times more for petrol, so why pay 2 to 10 times more in crypto fees? Independent Reserve is an inclusive exchange catering to everyone from beginners to expert investors, businesses, and self-managed super funds. They offer 24/7 support and world-class certified, secure underground vaults to protect your crypto. The mobile app is super easy to use and includes some powerful tools such as dollar cost averaging, buy and sell limit orders through to stop loss mechanics. They have partnered with KPMG to develop their built-in tax estimator to make managing your tax records a breeze. Watch till the end to find out about our special viewer offer. How to buy stablecoins in Australia and New Zealand with Independent Reserve. Firstly, head over to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store to install the Independent Reserve mobile app on your phone. Then simply sign up, create and verify your account. If you don't have an Independent Reserve account yet, click here to watch our video on how to set up an account. It's a simple process. Once you have verified your account, just log into the app to get started. Today, we are going to walk through the simplest way to place a stablecoin order. You are going to need some money in your account before you can trade. So let's transfer some cash to kick things off. Go to the Wallet tab on the bottom and choose the Quick Deposit option. There are a couple deposit options to choose from. Today, I'm going to use PayID via OSCO as it's nearly a real-time deposit of funds. Next, click your preferred deposit type. Then follow the prompts which are needed to make a deposit from your internet bank account. Next, on my internet banking app, I've entered the Independent Reserve deposit details using OSCO, including the dollar amount, and clicked confirm to process the deposit. Next minute, my mobile app is topped up in near real time. Now we can go ahead and place a market order. Your order will go straight to the market maker and it will match you with a seller at the current market price. To purchase a stablecoin, click the Markets tab from the bottom menu. You can either scroll and find the coin or simply search for USDT, USDC, or DAI. Once you click on the coin, click Buy and then enter the amount you would like to purchase. Today, I will purchase $50 of USDT. Next, click Buy and then place order for it to be processed. It's as simple as that. Your order will be placed into the market and be filled at the market price. You will get a settlement confirmation that the order has been placed successfully. By clicking the Portfolio tab on the bottom menu bar, you will also see that your account balance and coin holding values are updated to reflect your purchase. From the portfolio, I can also bring up a list of my current holdings, their value, charts, and more. You can easily browse token charts with a 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, or by all-time view. You can also click on the History tab to view your order history. When you want to sell your stablecoin, it's as easy as selecting the coin and then clicking Sell. From here, you can enter the amount of token to sell on the top field. Cowabunga, dudes! It's as simple as that to start your crypto journey. We have partnered with Independent Reserve on an exclusive offer of a $10 credit to our viewers. Click the link in the description to claim your $10 credit today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment below and tell us what you're planning to invest in. See you next time.